Welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, and we're knocking out a pizza here. Start off by greasing a tray with oil. Neutral oil, not too thick. Put some store-bought dough. This is a store brand, but Pillsbury works great. Prebake, 425, 8 minutes. Meanwhile, prep your ingredients. Dice your pepperoni, slice your mushrooms, and then your onions. Want them reasonably close to the same size so they cook evenly. Grated garlic, you're looking for about 1 clove to every tablespoon of butter you're going to use. So put that in there, add some oregano, add some thyme, pepper, maybe a pinch of salt too. Now pop that in the microwave for 20-30 seconds, melt it down, and mix it all up. There you go. Pull the pre-baked dough out, spread your sauce nice and evenly. Leave a little bit of room for the crust. Now spread your cheese evenly. Now I use mozzarella and Parmesan, you can add whatever you want, but that's just what I like. And a roughly 50-50 mix. I like diced pepperoni because it's spread out evenly and you get pepperoni in every bite. Add your sliced mushrooms. Add your onion. Now coat that crust with that garlic herb butter. Doesn't that look good? Now stick it in the oven for 425 for 10 minutes or until the desired brownness. See how nice that looks? Slice it up,